Hi guys, so today let's make Bengali style egg omelette curry. Very easy to make. I'm gonna make it very simple. So let's go for it. Cheers. So let's get started. So first what we're gonna do is we will take onions, chili. We're gonna grind this. The other ingredient what we're gonna do is we're gonna grind cinnamon sticks, 2 cinnamon sticks, 5 cardamom, and cloves, like 10 of cloves, and zira. So we're gonna grind this too. For omelette, we're gonna take eggs, and next here we go with salt and pepper. We're gonna take little onions. That's it. So let's start with the cooking now. So we'll add oil. Here we go. Egg. So now we're gonna flip this omelette. Beautiful color, you can see the color. So this is almost done, so we're gonna cut it into square, the cubes, so it should be in cubes. So this is done now. Keep it in a plate, and we'll make cubes. So this is done. So let's go with a masala now. So I'll be using mustard oil and the masala, the spices which we made. So I'm gonna add little bit now, and then later we'll add some more. I'll be using a pinch of black sesame seeds. So you can see a paste, onion paste, we'll add in this. So we add onions and chilies in this. So we're gonna make it a little brown in color. So we'll let this cook for say 15 minutes. So now it's become little brown, so we'll add ginger garlic paste. Two spoons of ginger garlic paste. So now it's done. We'll add tomato paste. So these are 3 tomatoes. So we'll add 1 spoon of salt and give a mix. So you have that beautiful color, the red color, and we'll let this cook for 5 minutes. That's it. So we cooked it for 5 minutes. So I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of chili powder, red paprika. You can use Kashmiri lal mirch also. Same time. I'm gonna take coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half a tablespoon of turmeric powder. The spices which we made, I'm going to take little bit. And mix it well. So it's time to add water. I'm using 1 cup of water. That's it. It depends. If you want thick gravy, you can add more water. So I'll be adding 1 cup so that the gravy will be thick enough and gives you really nice taste. So if you're eating with rice, you need more water. If you're eating with naan roti, you can use little less water. So after this, I'm gonna add eggs in this. So now it's time to add eggs in there. So we have beautiful eggs. Just drop it. So dip it like this. And we're gonna give really nice boil. That's it, it's done. So now it's done. We'll take it and place it here in the plate. It's come beautiful. So here we go with masala omelette ready. Looks beautiful. Let's go. So it's done. You can see it's come really good. So do like my video and subscribe to my channel. Cheers.